Welcome to AI Visions, your guide to the exciting world of artificial intelligence. In today's video, we'll embark on a journey to understand the basics of AI and explore its vast applications. Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a rapidly evolving field that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These machines are designed to learn, reason, and solve problems in ways that mimic human cognitive abilities. At its core, AI relies on algorithms and statistical models to process large amounts of data, extract patterns, and make informed decisions. This allows AI systems to analyze information, adapt to changing circumstances, and even improve their performance over time. The applications of AI are vast and diverse. From personalized recommendations on streaming platforms to voice assistants on our smartphones, AI has become an integral part of our daily lives. Here are a few key areas where AI is making a significant impact. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and patient care. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical images, detect patterns, and help identify potential. In the realm of transportation, AI is driving the development of self-driving cars, optimizing traffic flow, and enabling predictive maintenance of vehicles. These advancements hold the promise of increased safety, reduced congestion, and enhanced mobility for everyone. AI is also transforming industries like finance, where algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data, detect anomalies, and predict market trends. This enables financial institutions to make more informed decisions, manage risks, and develop robust investment strategies. Education is another field where AI is making significant strides. Intelligent tutoring systems can adapt to individual students' needs, providing personalized learning experiences and tailored feedback. AI-powered educational tools are enhancing the way we learn and acquire knowledge. AI is also playing a crucial role in addressing global challenges. In fields like climate change, AI algorithms analyze environmental data, predict weather patterns, and optimize energy usage, contributing to a more sustainable future. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming industries and shaping our world. As the field continues to advance, the possibilities are boundless. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the basics of artificial intelligence and its applications. We hope this video has provided you with a solid foundation to understand the incredible potential of AI. Make sure to subscribe to AI Visions for more fascinating insights into the world of artificial intelligence. Until next time, keep embracing the power of AI and its possibilities.